Alright, in this short video we will tackle two topics for ring clerks. First of all, how do you authenticate yourself as a ring clerk for a specific ring? And then second of all, what happens when you page exhibitors, when you send exhibitor notifications? How does that work and what does it look like? So those are the two topics we're going to address now. First topic, how do you authenticate yourself as a clerk for a ring? Well, on the right hand side you see the login screen on the app. Where you're logging in with your TOES account. Well, it's as simple as that. You log in with your TOES account, and if the club has assigned you as a ring clerk for their specific show or in a specific ring in their show, then you will automatically be assigned as a ring clerk, and I'm going to show you what that looks like. So this is my catalog on my device. I'm on Saturday morning, ring 1, short hair cats, and I don't see anything special here. But when I click on the rings, if you are assigned as a ring clerk for any ring, you will see this little icon here next to the ring. And when you select that ring, then you will see on the top side, it will actually show you above the little key, there is a little checkbox which indicates really that you're now authenticated as a clerk for that specific ring. So when you see this icon, that means you are the ring clerk for this ring. And obviously the buttons on the left, they're also a dead giveaway to indicate to you that you are now in this ring logged in as a ring clerk. So it's really as simple as adding your password, logging in with your TOES password and your TOES username, and you're getting assigned to that ring automatically. The only condition there is that the club has listed you as a ring clerk for that ring in TOES. That is the only condition that needs to be there. Alright, that's for the first method. Now there is a second method where if for whatever reason the club didn't add you in TOES and you need to ring clerk in a specific ring, there is a second way for you to say, hey, I'm the ring clerk, please give me extra access. And let me show you how that works. So I'm going to skip to ring number 2 here. There we go. And then we're going to click on the little key icon on the top right here, which pulls up an access code for entry clerk. So here I need to type in a unique code, and if that code is correct, it will give me ring clerk privileges for this specific ring. So let's go ahead and do that. So the code for this particular ring is R. I'm going to go here and type the letter R, D, K, 8, G, M, K, L. And I apologize that this is a little bit cumbersome here on the emulator. On a device you simply type it and it works. Every time I need to click here, so that's why it's being a little bit slow, but bear with me. We're almost there. So I'm going to put in the last digit here, which is a 6. Sorry, that's not a 6. It's not really working with me here, is it? That way, 6, there we go. I'm going to save it, and then again, remember at the top right, if this code is correct, it should show me the little check mark, so let's go ahead and do that. There we go. I'm logged in with the little check mark. I am now a ring clerk for this ring. Now, you obviously may wonder, where do I get this code from? Again, that is the club who can provide that for you on the show setup page in TOES. Every ring is getting assigned a unique ID, and in the interface they can see the code, they can put it on a piece of paper, hand it to you, and make sure you don't share that code. It is obviously confidential, and that is just meant for you as a ring clerk. So now this is the second way for you to authenticate as a ring clerk, and as you can see, you now also have these little icons to page cats to the ring. And that is our second topic for this video. How do you call an entry to the ring? Well, it really is as simple as clicking these buttons. But before I do that, I'm going to switch to another class. I want to show you something. This cat number 101, right? So we have the little bell here. on the left you also see two other devices. On both devices, users have subscribed to receive notifications for that particular cat. And let me show you here in notifications, long hair cat, cat number 101 is going to get notification. This person is going to get notifications for cat number 101. So when I go back to the home screen or anywhere in the app, this person is now doing his thing, going about his day. This person has done the same thing, but he's actually closed this app or minimized it. So what happens if I page, let's say 102? Well, I'm calling 102 to the ring by simply clicking it. This is now sending out notifications to people that are subscribed to get notifications for 102. We don't see anything happening. Now let's do that with 101. So I'm sending out the notifications, and as you can see here, there is an alert coming up on the test server. You see this message on your device. You will see a proper message, and then on top here you see there's a notification on the tablet. There's a notification in this bar here. Let me see if I can pull that up. There we go. Again, a notification from the show app that you're going to be called to the ring. Again, this is a placeholder, the text, so you will see an actual text here when you do that on your device. Alright, so that is what it looks like when you call a cat to the ring. And if you do it again, so you give this cat a second call, it's going to get another notifications, which is basically going to tell them, hey, you're on second call, you're on third call, and so on. And if you're done judging the cat, you've put in the results, you can click this little return arrow icon, you click it, and then the person is getting, hey, your cat is being released from the ring, please come and pick it up. Now, some of you may also wonder what this icon here is, the second one. Let's assume you page a number of entries to the ring, and then you realize the same entries are being judged in another ring. You simply click that one, same thing happens, but the people are getting a different message basically saying, hey guys, we're going to judge these cats later, we don't need you in the ring right now. And that is pretty much what I wanted to show you for notifications, how to log in as an entry clerk and how to send notifications to exhibitors as a ring clerk. That is pretty much it. Thank you and see you in the next video.